Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something tons big for those of you watching the markets like a hawk. What if I told you that some of the most hated stocks on Wall Street right now are also the ones most likely to explode in the next few weeks? Remember how Opendoor suddenly spiked over 500% in just a few days? That wasn't random. That was a perfect storm of short sellers trapped, retail traders piling in, and one bold call from a hedge fund manager that lit the match. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 US stocks with similar potential to rally hard over the next 2 to 4 weeks. Let's jump right in. First up, Opendoor Technologies. This one just made headlines for all the right reasons. Eric Jackson from EMJ Capital tweeted he bought shares and believes Opendoor could be a 100 bagger. That one tweet went viral. Suddenly, Opendoor was trending #1 on Wall Street bets, and the stock shot up over 500% in a week. Over 21% of its float is shorted, and earnings are coming up. Open is volatile, but it's also a prime short squeeze setup. Second, KSS Kohl's. Yes, the department store your parents shop at. But this one just pulled a GameStop level move. On July 22nd, the stock opened up 100%. Why? Because a staggering 49% of its float is sold short. Once retail traders caught wind of it on Reddit and StockTwits, the options volume exploded, up 12 times the normal amount, and shorts started scrambling. This is a textbook short squeeze. With more than 50 million shares still short, Kohl's could easily pop again. Third on the list, C3.ai. You already know the AI boom is one of the biggest trends of 2024 and 2025. C3.ai is a pure play in the space. Over 22% of its float is shorted, and option traders are betting big on a rally. Call option volume spiked nearly 80% higher than usual. Earnings are right around the corner. If they beat, shorts could get caught offside. If it breaks through $30, we could see a fast squeeze toward the mid-30s. Fourth, Marathon Digital Holdings. This one's for the crypto crowd. Marathon is one of the largest Bitcoin miners. Lately, Bitcoin has been pushing toward all-time highs, and Mara has been riding the wave. It's up approximately 60% this quarter, and get this, 26% of its float is shorted. On top of that, call option volume on Mara is surging. If Bitcoin continues its uptrend, Mara could go vertical as shorts rush to exit. Think of it as a high beta crypto momentum play on steroids. And last but not least, LCID Lucid Group. Lucid was left for dead until it dropped a bombshell last week. A $300 million partnership with Uber to build 20,000 self-driving robotaxis. The stock exploded 36% in a single day. And here's why that matters. Over 33% of its float is shorted. But now, with a huge fleet deal, actual cash from Uber, and a real AI mobility narrative, shorts are sweating. If Lucid holds above $3, this could turn into another runaway rally. So to recap, we've got Opendoor, Kohl's, C3.ai, Marathon Digital, and Lucid, all with high short interest, real momentum, and recent catalysts. Are they risky? Absolutely. But in a market like this, where sentiment drives price, these are the names to watch. Let me know in the comments which one you think pops next. Smash that like button if you learned something, subscribe for weekly market breakdowns, and as always, do your own due diligence before you trade. Catch you in the next one.